nicely. Yes, Anvita.
Can we lie down?
No. Say tam. Front swastika, beta. Front swastika. No. So we need to do this. Tat, tai, tam. Your left foot front. Tat, tai, tam. And look at your hand, beta. Your armand is not enough. Yeah, and look at your hand, beta. And dittain. Tam. Back swastika, beta. Proper back swastika. Heel up, beta. Open your armand, beta. Open your beta. Heel up, beta. Down and up. That's it. And left side. Down. And tuck. Tight. Down. Lift and stretch. Armandi. And lift. Tight. Down. Down. And tuck. Tight. Down. Front swastika. Heel up. No. You are crossing over. Your foot should be open. Your right foot is right, but left foot, yeah. Down. And this thing. Right. And look at your hand. Patata. Open your foot, beta. Nice. I like that, Armandi and swastika. Nice. Good. Heel up. Good. Your heel should be, yeah, that is nice. Good. Very nice. That's good. The thumb should be in, like this. The thumb should be in. That's it. Nice. Why are you standing up again? Like this, okay? Don't make your elbow up forward. Elbow should be above your head, okay?